or not, you'll get a lot out of it. Mark, do you want to show
Do you want to show some of your pieces?
Yeah.
First of all, I love the fact that your shirt is actually, that design is your art, correct?
And this is actually the masterpiece.
That's incredible. So you'll notice that is what the start was, and there's Mark. Now you're a clothing designer, I think, pretty much. So.
Well, yeah. One of the other projects is that I have a bee picture that is over here that I'm currently working on. I have two versions of it. The first version I have with a planet that it's orbiting, and then the other one is going to be the design that I'm going to be putting on a piece of wood canvas that I had painted over at Slingshot.
Wow, where do you come up with these ideas?
Well, the idea, the insect that I had done came from a book that I had bought at the library, and I did some alterations so that it wasn't be Persianism.
It's very good. Good job.
So I changed it up a little bit, and then that's where the wasp came in from, that is orbiting the planet, and that's where the other version of the same wasp came in for my wood canvas.
Why do you like creating art? Or I guess I should ask, do you like creating artwork?
I love creating artwork. I've been actually doing stuff in the forms of art through my entire life. I've been building model airplanes, building model cars, building model spaceships. I've been going to art class during the summer as I was growing on up and going through school. And so basically, after I had gotten accepted into micro enterprise, I was working on art and actually getting my stuff not only sold, but also being able to keep the money that I had sold and put it into a business account.
So it's really given you some freedom too, because now you're earning